I think the Media Greenhouse Project has really come in an opportune time. Right now, all media outlets are struggling with their business models, and new technology and social media has changed the way that we make and consume news. And so for some of the smaller ethnic outlets, I think it's been a real challenge to figure out how to incorporate those new technologies and really utilize them to their advantage. At the same time, there are a lot of opportunities for communities to become more involved in really making news and media, and becoming part of the distribution channels in terms of what's happening in their community and neighborhood. And social media and the web makes it a lot easier for people to be able to do that. So we're not just relying on big corporate news for what's happening around the country and in our local neighborhoods.